Hi viewers, one person asked please upload sign convention rules. Okay, so for this I am going to do. Now I am doing one video on the sign convention. Sign convention means a sign negative when negative comes and when positive comes. So it is in optics only. It is related to light and devices which are used in the light only, such as convex mirror, concave mirror, convex lens, concave lens. Okay. So for all them, I am going to explain common rule. Okay. So there are the three rules, major rules are there. So first one. So whatever distance measured, you must measure them from pole only. It is a must and important rule. What is whatever things, whatever distance, that is either object distance or image distance. If you have to measure object distance or image distance, you must start from object only. You should not, you must start from pole only. You should not start from object and you should not start from image. You must start from pole only. It is a first rule and important things. You keep it in mind, then you will be success. What is all the distance? A distance should be measured from pole, right? All the distance should be measured from pole. All the distance means image distance and object distance. Okay. For example, let it is what? Concave mirror. Okay, so it is a concave mirror, it is a rough side and it is inside the smooth side, and pole will present here. Pole means what? Midpoint of mirror is called pole. So middle point, exactly middle point of mirror is called pole, and it is denoted by P. Alright, suppose object is here. In the physics, object is denoted by arrow mark. Right, object is denoted by arrow mark. So it is object. From here to here distance is a object distance. Object distance. Object distance is always denoted with a u, small u. Image distance is denoted with a v only, small v. Okay. And suppose here, if you have to measure the distance u from here to here, then you have to start measuring distance from this point and you must go in this direction. We can measure like this also, right? From here there also we can measure, same value will come, but it is the rule. What is the rule? All the distance should be measured from pole only. So that means you should not measure from here to here, but you must measure from here to here. That is the first rule. And the next, second point, okay, the distance which are measured opposite to the incident ray, is taken as a negative. Along the direction of the incident ray is taken as a positive. What? The distance measured along the incident ray is taken as positive. And opposite to the incident ray is taken as negative, right? Same direction. So distance measured along incident ray is taken as a positive, opposite to the incident ray is taken as negative. What? See here. Let me explain. So same example. It is a pole. It is a object, pole. Let the distance is here is u. Distance is u. So here object, the light rays from the object in which direction? In all direction they move, even in this direction also. But we need the rays which are coming towards the mirror only. Okay, so we don't want the rays which are moving in this direction, that direction. The rays we want which are coming towards mirror. So in this side only. Now see. There are certain rays are there. These rays are called incident ray. The rays which are coming from the source or object are called incident ray. Okay, so this is the incident ray. Now what I have to do? I have to measure distance. What distance? Object distance. Okay, either object distance or image distance. But here object distance I want to measure. Then whether it is positive or negative, I don't know. Now I want to know. Okay. Now see, it is a pole. It is an object. Now in which direction I have to move to measure the distance from pole to object? That means in this direction. Okay. I should move in this direction to measure the object distance. But rays are coming opposite to me. Okay. When incident rays are opposite to me, then this is taken as negative. So see, opposite to the incident ray is negative. Same along the same direction is a positive. Okay, so opposite it is negative. So that is the reason. It is the reason why we have to take it as a negative and positive, right? And the next one is next third one. It is these are the two important things. And next third one is also there. Third point is height. Here third point includes height. Height of the object above the principal axis is taken as positive. Height of the object below the principal axis is taken as negative. Alright? Height, object or image is height of the image above principal axis is taken as positive. Below is taken as negative. Alright? Height of the object or image above principal axis is taken as positive, and height of object or image below principal axis below is taken as negative. Below principal axis, below is taken as means below principal axis taken as negative. That is the meaning of this. Okay, so see, it is a mirror, principal axis, pole. It is a pole. This is the principal axis. Suppose object is here, is there. See, it is above the principal axis. Let its height is h1. Height of the object is denoted by h1. So it is a positive h1. If it is a downside, like this, then it is taken as minus h. So like this, these three are the rules. Okay, so these is the things, friends. So please learn them and write the which quantities are which object distance is what, image distance is what in a concave mirror and in convex mirror also. You write by using this concept. Thank you.